Settling into a comfortable position, having your feet planted firmly on the ground, uncrossing your body, straightening your spine, and just starting to bring awareness to your breath. Just focusing first on noticing your exhales and just lengthening those exhales, making sure you get all the breath out of your lungs. Noticing that exhale, getting all the oxygen out of your lungs. And then turning your attention to your inhales. Noticing your belly, your chest expand. Taking in more and more breath, filling yourself even more full, right up to the top. And now place each hand on the opposite shoulder, crossing your arms in front of you. And slowly bring your hands down each arm, all the way down to your fingertips. And then back up to your shoulders, slowly bringing them back down your arms again, all the way to the fingertips. One more time, up at the shoulders and then stroking down, like giving yourself a comforting hug. This is called havening. It soothes the nervous system and signals safety to your body. It's a practice you can come back to any time to feel calm and safe. And as you continue this motion, you might silently say to yourself, I'm safe, I'm calm, I'm here, I'm safe, I'm calm, I'm here. Now, as you continue that motion, just imagine a soft light glowing in your heart center. Pink golden light. And with every inhale, the light grows warmer and brighter, expanding gently into your chest. With each exhale, let the light travel upward, flowing to the space between your eyebrows, your third eye. Just feel that connection between your heart and your third eye or your inner vision. Just notice how the light softens any heaviness, clears away the fog, brings a gentle sense of ease. Just resting with your hands in your lap once you bring them back down again. And take a final big deep breath in through your nose. Just Sigh it out, letting go of any final tension. Just allowing yourself to simply rest in this calm state for a moment, knowing you can return here anytime with your breath, your touch, and your inner light. When you're ready, just gently bringing awareness back to the space around you, just by noticing where you're making contact with the floor, the chair, and bringing some gentle movement back into your body, just rolling your wrists or your shoulders. Maybe taking a big stretch if that feels good for your body. When you feel ready, you can feel free to open your eyes and come back into our space together.